Okay, folks, we're on our way to the Beaver Dam bypass, and I noticed with the 10 beavers and all the beaver dam huts in there now, their dens, it is just so flooded out. I don't think we'll ever get our road back again. So I'll come down here and take a look. I've never seen it this deep before. So we used to go through this. I have videos of us going through here, but look at it now. Wow, can you see that? All the way. Look at this. Is this amazing or what? I cannot believe it. Okay, it's starting to rain again now. All right, we're going to try to attempt to go around it. You know, this used to be our class 4 road across there, believe it or not, until the beavers took over. Hoping we can get through. I'm going to keep it rolling. Okay, 2 Jeeps joined us. And there's Sarah, wonderful Sarah, on our Sunday trips. Huh? How are ya? Yeah, that beautiful face of yours. Yeah. Okay. All right, here we go. Yeah, I'll try to get the Jeeps coming through too. Do some driving here, so let's keep our eye on the road here. Is there having a good time? Yeah. Yep, look at the Beaver Dam. It's all the way up that far. Used to be a road through there to get through. Yep, now we got to get through this mess. Through that damn rock there. Around that tree. See that right there? It's not fun. You gotta hit it all in one shot. Get through it. There. right through like nothing. I don't know, folks. When it's this greasy, I gotta be able to drive, so. Huh. I don't know if I can get in there. Somebody cut this tree off. I'm gonna go around that rock anyway. That big rock. I want to see if I can get in beside it. Ooh. Boy, we're right on top. Nice. All right. Nice. All right. Go. Let's go, Sarah. Now we gotta climb up that hill right here. Hope we'll go right up it. Okay, here, keep it rolling, folks. And there you have it, folks. We made it through the nasty old Beaver Dam. All right. And I thank you all for watching Sarah's lovely, wonderful four-wheeling videos, huh? Thanks, everyone.